Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find information on flight status in the Vueling Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Help and Contact button. And then click on the Help button. And if you scroll down at the You May Be Interested section, look for the Flight Status button and click on that. And as you can see, there's a detailed description on this topic, so you can read about it. And also, if you found this information useful, you can give them a feedback as well at the bottom of the page. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.